Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So firstly we have to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that, and after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps or 2 of them, up to you, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to, you can close all of them, just go to the very left of the list and tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page. We can of course check it, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all running apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.